Welcome to our channel. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel at the Remote Job Hub. Gigwork.com is another beautiful platform that you need actually to familiarize yourself with and look for those gigs, as they are calling them, to actually make that extra coin. So you want to become a gig worker, whether you are looking for a little spending money or want to earn an entire extra paycheck, gig work can help. Work when and where you want to. You can even start making money today. That is found when you scroll to the gig work, you open the gig work website and you go up to find work. You get that kind of a welcome note. How do I get started as a freelance? You download the app. The Gigwork app is available on both iOS and Android devices. You visit the Apple Store or Google Play to download the app. Then you will register your Gigwork account. Register your Gigwork account. It is easy as answering a few basic questions and providing an email address. Then, on part of payment, you link your PayPal account to get paid. Find and complete gigs in your area. In this section, you will go to frequently asked questions. That's the most important part we need to get. How does it work? A gig worker software customer posts as gigs that show up on map and gig list in Gigwork app. You find gigs at your area that look like a good fit. You apply for a gig by clicking the apply to the gig button. You are notified that your application has been selected and given details. You complete the work and submit. The customer reviews your work and either approves it. Once approved, you get paid directly to the PayPal account. How do I get paid? All payments are securely processed from the customer through PayPal, the leading payment provider with advanced fraud protection. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you just go to www.paypal.com, you set up the account, and that way you are actually able to get your payment the moment you complete your gigs on this platform of gigwork.com. The next platform we are looking at is 99designs.com. 99design.com is powered by Vista, and you can see it helps you to create logo for clients. To become a member in this, you just need to create your account by filling in your details. Then you will get paid after you create logos for clients who are also found in this platform. Get paid to celebrate design. Help your audience level up by their branding with the power of great design. Earn uncapped commissions when you refer new customers to 99designs. So even after you are working, you can be able to refer people to this platform to actually also help you earn extra passive income besides what you are earning as a designer. You get paid when you promote. So what you need to do is just sign up, promote, and get paid. Fill out short online application to get started. Send traffic to 99design using your affiliate link. Earn a commission when new customer you refer. Launch a contest or a project. In this platform, clients can also find the designers they want, because you'll have created your profile. In this profile, the clients are able to know what you're capable of, referring to the previous work you have done. And there are various categories. There is logo and identity. You can do web and application design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art and illustration, packaging and label design, book and magazine. There are so many opportunities that can help you earn passive income on 99designs.com. They have gone a notch higher by creating a section whereby they celebrate the best design. Each year we raise a pineapple example, to our designers to celebrate the 99 awards, a showcase of the best designs created by our talented and diverse global creative community. So if you feel you are creative, you can give a good job at this particular platform. Please, it's high time you sign up, create your account, log in to start earning passive income through 99designs.com. We are looking at ritzy.com. You see, join our community. Join a community of top professionals. We are helping freelancers meet clients at every stage of publishing process. They have 2,441 editors. They have designers with them, publicists, marketers, and so on and so forth. A powerful search delivers your profile to the right clients. With a bit of data science magic, we will suggest you to clients who are likely to be of great benefit. How do I apply to join Ritzy? Sign up and create a free Ritzy profile. It's a perfect place to advertise your skills, host your portfolio, and showcase your previous work experience to clients. If your application is accepted, your profile will be made available on Ritzy Marketplace. Now, there are various questions that people have asked in frequently asked question. What type of clients will I be working with? There are over 100,000 in our community, from first time to best-selling authors. The majority self-publish their books, while others choose the traditional publishing route. How much money can I make? It depends on how much work you decide to take on and what's the demand we have for the type of services you offer. How do I get paid? When sending a quote to a client, you are able to create a payment schedule with multiple installments. During a project, payments are made automatically to you on the due dates, so you never have to chase clients. Those dates are also easily updatable once collaboration has started with the approval of your client. So you can see it's a very good platform that really cares and protects the writers, the authors, and freelance book reviewers, because you don't have actually to chase someone, to keep on emailing someone so that they can actually submit the payment of the work that you have done for them. So today, just sign up and then log into your account and be able to start making the passive income through ritzy.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also the subscription button. Goodbye.